scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Central bank bond purchases can seem tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's calculate the monetary base and money supply changes right now. When the central bank buys $50 million in bonds, they are injecting new cash directly into the banking system. This immediate injection increases the monetary base by that exact amount. Next, we find the money multiplier by taking 1 divided by the 10% reserve ratio. That gives us a multiplier of 10, which determines how much the total supply grows. Multiply 50 million by 10 to get a $500 million increase. This confirms that the money supply expands significantly through the lending process. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps.